How do I set up my iCloud email on my iPhone?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up your iCloud email on your iPhone. This is a simple process, and once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to receive and send emails directly from your iPhone.
Is your iCloud account ready?
Before we begin, ensure that you have an iCloud account. If you don't, you'll need to create one on Apple's website. Remember, your iCloud account is tied to your Apple ID.
Accessing your iPhone settings.
First, we'll start by accessing the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the gear-like icon that can usually be found on your home screen.
Going to Mail, Settings.
Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see Mail. Tap on it to open the Mail settings.
Adding an account.
In the Mail settings, you'll see an option labeled Accounts at the top. Tap on this, then on the next page, tap Add Account.
Selecting iCloud.
You'll be presented with a list of email providers. Select iCloud from this list.
Signing into iCloud.
You will now need to sign into your iCloud account. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. If you're already signed in on your device, it may not ask you for this information.
Enabling Mail.
After you've signed in, you'll be presented with a list of services that can be synced with iCloud. Ensure that the Mail option is toggled on. If it's not, just tap the switch next to it to enable it.
Completing the setup.
Press the Save button at the top right of your screen to finalize your settings. Your iCloud email is now set up on your iPhone. And that's it. You've successfully set up your iCloud email on your iPhone. Now, you can send and receive emails directly from your device, making communication on the go much easier. We hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.